Hopefully we're all doing good. I've got the camera off today. Just doing some stuff in the office, so yeah, just haven't got it on. But just looking here on the NQ, I have been this morning, which seems to be for a long time, just trying to code some new updated indicators for the ATRs. So it's not fully done yet, but it's so cool when it goes like that. So on the 1 minute, we just ATR down, and it pops it. It's so cool. I don't know if any of you saw that, but I still need to change some things because it's like showing blue for ATR up, and just need to get these to change. And we just ATR 2 times ATR to the upside, 2 times ATR to the upside on the 1 minute time frame. Look at it all changing. It's so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. We just reversed on the 5 minute ATR reversal up. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, so it's nearly there. It wasn't doing that, and it actually shows you the most recent candle as well. So this is the most recent candle ATR up. So in orange, it will show you the most recent. All the other ones are basically the past ones. But yeah, you literally just watched that live. So give the video a thumbs up because we've got 1 like on the video, and I think that deserves... At least every single one of the people watching it now should be liking the video, or else I will end the YouTube stream. But anyway, that is what I'm working on. The only thing it isn't doing at the moment, and I just need to get it to change. I don't know why it's not doing it, but I just need the reversal, just like we have here, ATR up, ATR down, ATR up, ATR down. It should do the same with the reversal up and reversal down. Now, what it's doing is it's showing you, obviously, ATR reversal up, but for example, if there is 2, so if I go back, let's say 13 bars, or even if I just go back 15 bars, I don't know what it will show, because technically it should show 2 ATRs to the upside, but for some reason it's just showing ATR up, which is okay, but I want to see how many has that produced. And also what it's not showing at the moment is it's not showing this ATR reversal down on the 4-hour time frame, which did trade, and it was showing that earlier on my other attempt to get this right. So I just need to get that sorted. The reason I'm doing it is because I can then just look on the 5 minute, I can just have my chart on a 5 minute time frame. So this is what it was showing earlier on. So if I just move this, just take that off actually. So this is what it was showing earlier. So you could see the ATR reversal. Let's move this out the way. So you could see the ATR reversals down. I mean, this isn't a bad way, but this is just showing you without it counting. So you know that there's been an ATR reversal down on the 4-hour, but then it's also showing you that it's ATR'd on the 1.5 and the 2, which obviously goes without saying, because if it's ATR reversal down, you know it's gone 1.5 and 2. So again, those shouldn't be there. That's why I'm trying to do this copy here that shows it in a bit more of a table view in terms of how many. I just needed to get it to sort the reversal part out because that hasn't been done just yet. So, but yeah, pretty cool. So I'll update everyone in the room in terms of when that's done. But it's just so cool how it obviously does all that live. So again, the reason behind it is I really look at that, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm actually in profit now. Thank you. Oh dear, ATR reversal bar up after the fake out, and we came all the way down to RTH lows, which is also, as mentioned, look, we pretty much just traded this RTH short yesterday, traded that on the open this morning, ATR down, and pretty much it's just been an absolute shit show in terms of one second. Yeah, in terms of the overnight session. So look at that beautiful ATR reversal, and that shows me on the half-an-hour time frame the ATR reversal is also up on the half-an-hour, so I don't have to look at this. I can see it's up on the half-an-hour, But if I'm on the 5-minute time frame, I know we just ATR'd up on the half an hour. So it's just beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm more excited that I've just seen this live because it's not been moving as much on the overnight. And then another way of obviously cross-referencing if this is all right is this should show, if we just do it for, you know, let's just do it for the past 20 bars and we'll know this is right. You know, it should show 3 ATR 2 times ATRs down on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, it should show 3 ATR down. It does, but it shows it in green again, which is not right. That's not right. And also it's showing 1 ATR up when there hasn't been 1 2 times ATR up. It's ATR reversal up. So yeah, bear with me on it because it's not going to be a simple fix. And again, it should show two ATR reversals up, and it's just showing it as up, not the account. So anyway, working on that in the background, and where we are at the moment, again, the support that we've just found is, I mean, going back to yesterday, just an absolute beautiful RTH low was put in. We traded a traditional, it has failed to complete so far. That basically took us from that 50 into the equal highs, and that equal highs lined up with that same high to high short. Sorry, what am I on about? That traditional short at the halfway back. Sorry. That has came down to its double bottom lows. Completion for that short is down there at 514s. I'm expecting it not to complete just purely because of where we are. And where we are is the extension anchor high from last Monday when we traded this. We traded a 61.8 traditional, but of course there was a micro extension in there, which you'll only see if you go down to the 5-minute time frame. We have a traditional, and that is the anchor extension that we are trading. That would be your high to high. So that is the same anchor new high that's still in play, and we bidded on it yesterday. And we had a reaction off those lows, which is also, as Sam mentioned, the RTH low on the day. And we literally hit that RTH low on the day, which coincided with the same anchor new high, 38% retracement. You also had the ETH ATR range on the day as your kind of stop. And of course, they came ever so close, and it did not trade, which is beautiful. Could have been risk put there. Traditional trades, 61.8 trades, and it goes all the way to its negative 62. So that is a beautiful 61 to 61, 130 points in 1 hour 45. And that was all she wrote. And that pretty much just put you into the RTH halfway back, 61.8. And that is pretty much where we've been stuck this whole overnight session. So that is my breakdown. On the daily, I am obviously still wanting those deeper pullbacks, which if I just only show you the daily extensions, you will see what they look like. So daily extension wise, support wise, I'm just going to put this on, turn this off. Support wise on the daily, I still do want 492s, and I think when we do get that, I do think that will be a very clean long. You've got 492s down to 350, so it's about 150 point range, but that would be a nice support and resistance until proven otherwise. But until we get there, I wouldn't short this down to it. I would still play those long extensions until they break, and we're in them at the moment. So you've got ATR lows from last Friday, ATR reversal up. You've got the same anchor new high bid from yesterday, and you've just ATR reversaled up on that again. The only thing I don't like about this is you are at RTH lows from yesterday. Ideally, as I always say, I like to be long and strong above those RTH highs from the previous day. That shows that you are in trend. This technically, by trading the RTH low from the previous day, basically you are in the downtrend. So you can see you are in a downtrend, as opposed to flip this chart to the inverse. This would be what it would look like if you were buying or going long near RTH highs as opposed to RTH lows. This would be an uptrend, And of course, this is a downtrend in terms of being at RTH lows. So it's going against that one aspect of my trading, which is why I'll be honest, I've been catching myself over trading on the overnight session today. I have caught a couple trades, but I have also had a couple bad trades, and that's purely because the bias is not in my favor, and I'm trying to somewhat go against the bias just because I do have a long bias. But of course, there are shorts in the market which are pretty evident through all of those ATR bars to the downside on the overnight. So again, 50 halfway back, ATR's down, didn't even rebalance any of that candle, and you've had one. Well, since that, you've had ATR reversal on the 5 minute. It trades to halfway back. ATR reversals down on the 5 minute. Rebalances, ATR down, ATR down, ATR down, reversal up, failed, rebalance of that down candle, down, 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 ATR reversal, ATR up, fades, ATR down, two times down. Yeah, it's just an absolute shit show. So, yeah, I am long from pretty much on my other accounts. Oh, I've actually been filled. I'm out now because I can only make 2.7k on my trade day accounts. So I am out. I will look for a traditional on the open though. So I will look for a halfway back, and that would line up with around 620. So if we do get a pullback into 620s, I will take that. If we do just hold above 650s on the open, I will also look for a long there as well, and try to manage that best as I can. And I will be looking for targets into 715s to around 720s, which I mentioned in the Discord this morning. ATR range on the day, just before we get off. ATR range on the day for the ETH, the RTH won't show until the market opens, so you guys who are on the top tier membership will get to see the levels on the RTH when we go on Zoom. But ETH wise, we have 22,886s to 22,477s, and as you can see, we are slowly coming down to that range. For the past couple of days, the ETH range has been above my daily support. This is the first time since the week where the support has been above the ATR range, which means we can actually trade my daily support today. And that would not be crazy in terms of expectations in terms of ATRs. That would be fully within the range, and we should not be shocked if that does come down at that daily support at 492s. That is within range. Whereas again, yesterday and the day before, below range. So wasn't expected for that to trade since those levels are down there at 492s. Okay, so that is my morning breakdown. We will go live on Zoom, and if there's any questions, please let me know and I will answer them on Zoom. One thing I will say just before I go off stream, tomorrow and Friday are both half days. Historically, I don't trade half days, so I might just take those days off, and I need to set my new mixer up for my office, which is coming tomorrow. And I am going to also code these indicators so they're all updated correctly. So I probably will take those 2 days off. I wouldn't really recommend trading them, but I know there will be some degenerates in the room that maybe want to trade it. All I would say is you're going against, because stocks aren't going to be, I don't think stocks are going to be open because of holidays. So it's just going to be very, very minimal range that you'll get. So I most likely will take off. Oh, just on a side note, I will be submitted the top step payout tonight for the 25k. So again, it gives me another reason to probably take the next couple of days off, reset, relax, enjoy it, because there's a payout coming tonight as well, hopefully from last week's. And then we can go into next week with a nice new sort of fresh mindset in terms of no holidays, offers has been updated, codes have been updated, and ready to kill it. So I will see you all in Zoom, and everyone on YouTube, click the link in the description to join on the 7-day trial, and I will see you over there.